Birds born in a cage think flying is an illness. Similarly, human beings can find themselves trapped in their own cages, comfort zones, routines, or limiting beliefs. These cages restrict their potential for growth and exploration. When individuals become conditioned to their environment, they may experience learned helplessness. They stop trying to change their circumstances because they believe it's futile. Remember, covered eyes can eventually remove their blindfold, but a blind mind faces greater challenges.